You're losing time and money every time your menu changes. Reprints, errors, delays, it adds up. Digital menu cards fix that. Instant updates, zero printing costs, clean, professional, modern. No apps to build, no tech headaches, no staff training. If you run a restaurant, cafe, or hotel, this is one of the fastest upgrades you can make, with immediate payoff. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create a digital menu card that looks premium, works on any phone, and takes minutes, not weeks. Let's get straight into it. Go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. You'll see two options, Business Page or Contact Card. Select Business Page. You'll then see 3 ready-made templates. For this video, we'll use the first one. You can now customize the page. Add your logo, your company name, your tagline, your industry, and a short description. Enter your phone number, WhatsApp number, email address, website, and location. You can also upload a PDF. Next, go to the Images section. Select how many images you want. We'll use 5. And you can add titles such as starters, main course, desserts, or drinks. Then upload all your images. Choose the layout you want, a 1x1 square, a 2x1 square, a 1x1 rectangle, or a 1x1 vertical layout. You can also add your social media links, including Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Now scroll up to the design section. Here you can choose the background style, a single solid color, a primary color on top with a secondary color on the bottom, an image at the top with a color on the bottom, or a full image background. For this video, we'll select a top background image with a bottom color. Then open the business information styles. Set your profile photo size, and adjust the styles and text colors for the company name, tagline, industry, and description. You can also change the colors of the container, icons, labels, and values. The image titles can be customized as well, their color, font size, and text style. Move down to the social media links design. Here you can set the container color and adjust the icon size and the icon's font size. When everything looks good, click Save Page and give your page a name. Then click Link to QR Code. And after that, go to QR Code Generator. You now have 2 options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your logo, resize it, and click Apply Changes. You'll see 4 to 6 ready-made styles. Choose the one you like and customize it further if you want. Edit your export size. Set your foreground and background colors. Choose your pattern shape, corner style, and frame style. Then adjust the padding, followed by the border width and border roundness. Set the detail level and QR code size. Adjust the frame width and frame roundness. And finally, customize the frame text and color. You can also choose whether the logo appears in the center or embedded into the QR code. Next, choose what you want the QR code to link to. In this video, we'll link it to a landing page. Click Landing Page, select your page, and you'll see a confirmation message. Download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now click Remove Image and Reset Style to create a plain QR code. Set your foreground and background colors, increase the detail level for better scannability, choose your corner style, and then download it. Again, it scans perfectly.